Right, checking the gearbox on the Dominator, and up under the bottom I believe that is the indent holder and that is the drain, and we've got a 3/8 socket, and then underneath we've got a catch pan, and the book calls for 1 pint of engine oil or gearbox oil, and this is a 59, and I will happily go for a pint of EP90. So let me get that undone, because I can't, you won't see me undo it.
Oh.
The trouble is, it's right on your fingertips to get it undone. And not the easiest thing to put my hand through the centre stand spring. It's got to be loosened off now. I don't know if there's going to be any gearbox oil in here, but I think we can drain whatever ever. That's it. Do it. At least it's turning out my hand out. Oh.
Should I pump it one more?
No, you don't need to pump it up. Well, that was engine oil in this one.
That's a lot.
It should be a pint, but I don't think that's going to equate to a pint.
Yeah, but it's just...
Oh, it might be gearbox oil. It's got that smell to it.
I'm going to toss it and sniff it.
So there's the rest of our gearbox oil, so we probably have got a pint in there.
No, it's coming from that little hole.
Yeah, it's coming from the hole we took the drain plug out, mate.
This...
Don't poke your finger in it, you'll get smelly and oily.
I know. You did.
Yeah, well, I won't put fresh oil in the gearbox, so I know it's done. So on my jug, a pint is 560ml or 20 ounces. And then I've got a little funnel wedged in against the kickstart with the end twisting out the way, and I'm just going to pour it in the inspection cap. So I've got the 2 Allen bolts done up in the inspection cover, and then, excuse my spilled tea, we've got a paper towel underneath it for the leakage check. But we've got a fibre washer on the indent spring, we've got a fibre washer on the drain, so we should be alright, and we'll call that one done. So thanks for watching.